Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can trim a video in VN app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the VN and we have to open that. So I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see now, simply we have to click on the plus icon, and after clicking on the plus we have to hit the new project, and after clicking on the new project we need to select the video, that which video we want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so I'm going to click on this, and after that we have to click on the next, and the video will be imported. So as you can see, the video is imported. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on the video, and after clicking on the video, as you can see, all options are provided here. So we have to click on the trim, and after clicking on the trim, so as you can see, I have paused the video. Now simply we have to select the video that from where you want to trim the video. For example, I want this video from here. As you can see now, simply if you want to check out the preview, you can also do that. You have to hit the right button. If you want that this is okay, then simply you have to hit the right button, and that part of video will be inserted here. So as you can see, in this way you can trim a video. I have trimmed a video. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can trim a video in VN editor app. So see you guys in the next video.